What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a DEATHLOOP account. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for DEATHLOOP. Good. Now you guys have to click on the first thing that pops up. Okay. Now at the top right here you have login/sign up. Click on it. Okay, and at the bottom they ask you, do you have an account, and you have the option to sign up. Click on it. Good. Now you can create an account with Facebook or create an account with your email. I'm gonna show you how to do that. How to do with the first option. So you guys need an email. Make sure you fill that in. Good. Now click continue. You can check this box if you want, I don't know, news from their game. I don't, so I'm not gonna check it. Good. Now you guys have to create a username, and if you see the requirements right here, no less than 3 characters, no more than 20 characters, up to these characters must only contain letters, numbers, and above special characters, must be unique to betacda.net. Good. Let's see. Okay, apparently this one is taken. Let's see now. Good. Now I'm gonna create a password, and you guys read the requirements before you create a password. Be between 8 to 64 characters. Contain one uppercase letter. Contain one lowercase letter. Contain a number or symbol. Cannot match or contain username. So make sure your password has all of these requirements. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. Now click continue after you fill that in, and you're gonna need a security question. I don't know. I'm gonna choose this one. Uh, okay. Now click create account. And you're good to go. Now you can enjoy the game. That's pretty much it. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.